Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Hew. In the previous video, we looked at the involute of a square construction. In today's video, we're looking at the involute of a triangle. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw our triangle. The size of the triangle for today's class would be 40 millimeters. So we select this point and we're going to turn on ortho for a horizontal line. This would be 40 millimeters long. All right, enter. All right, we're going to zoom it up so that you can see. All right, so it's an equilateral triangle that we're drawing. So what we're going to do, we're going to label single line text and label the line AB for you. All right, so we're going to turn off snap. This point would be A. This point would be B. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to extend a line going to the right of B, okay? So we're going to go line. Well, let us finish drawing the triangle first, right? So what is an equilateral triangle? So all sides are equal. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to arc, center, start, end. We're going to turn on snap. We're going to come from here to there. Enter. We're going to go again from B. Center, start, end from B. The center. There is the start. And we're going to draw the arc going up. Where the two arcs intersect, that's C. So we're going to label this. We're going to turn off object snap, and this point would be C. All right. What we're going to do, we're going to draw a line from A to C. We're going to turn on object snap. Going to turn off ortho. All right. Then we're going to go to B. Enter. So this is the square. What we're going to do, we're going to, not the square, sorry, this is a triangle. We're going to put the triangle on the outline layer. All right, good. So what we're going to do now, we're going to draw a line coming down there, right? So we're going to draw a circle. Circle is not part of the construction, right? I'm just turn on snap, enter, right? I'm going to extend. I'm going to put this triangle back on the, I'm going to put this triangle back on the 0 layer, right? Because when I extend it, I want a construction line. So I'm going to extend this line. I'm going to extend this line. Good. I'm going to extend this line. Good. Enter. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to delete. I'm going to delete the circle. All right, good. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the compass at A. I'm going to move A so you can see it a little bit better. So we're going to move, going to select A, enter. Select that as the base point. So I'm going to go move. I'm going to turn off object snap. I'm going to click there, press enter. I'm going to move. I'm going to turn off snap. And move A right there, enter. All right, so we're going to put our compass point at A. So I'm going to go center, start, and center at A. Going to turn on object snap, center at A. Radius B. We're going to mark an arc coming around this way. Enter. Then from C, I'm going to mark an arc going around. All right, we might need to extend the line, right? So we center the drawing. Right, so I can actually trim off this point, right? So we're gonna go trim. No, we need to break it, all right? All right, so we're gonna trim this line as well. Trim, right? And we're gonna trim that extension there. So we're gonna carry this over so you can gonna trim right there. All right, so we're gonna go trim, enter. All right, good. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put our compass at C. I'm gonna mark an arc going around. So go arc, center start end at C, radius here, and we're gonna draw an arc coming around to intersect there. Enter. All right. So again, enter. Again, where the arc intersect this, I'm gonna trim. Enter. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put our compass at B, radius the end of the line. I'm gonna mark a semicircle coming out to intersect this line. All right. So we're gonna go arc, center start end from B, radius the end of the line here. We're gonna mark an arc coming around just like that. Enter. This now would be the involute for the triangle. So we're gonna put the triangle. We need to break the triangle, all right? So we're gonna use the break command to break the triangle, all right? So we're gonna go modify ribbon, break. We're gonna select the line, enter, and the break point will be right here. Enter. I'm gonna select this line, which is one line, press enter. I'm gonna click here, and that is how we break the line. I'm gonna select this line, enter. Gonna indicate right, enter. So look now, when I click on the triangle now, I can put it on the outline layer, okay? So I click here, click there, click there, click there, click this arc for the involute, click this arc for the involute, this arc. When I go to the, put them on the outline layer, they will be dark, all right? So let us label this now. So good job if you followed along. So we're going to label, we're going to center the drawing. We're going to go to annotation ribbon. We're going to go to the text. We're going to go multi-line text, and we're going to click here. And we're going to make the height for 6 millimeters. Right, so we're going to label now. To construct an involute to a triangle. So the sides of the equilateral triangle the side of the equilateral triangle is 40 millimeters. All right, so good job if you followed along. We have come to the end of part one of two videos covering the construction of an involute to a triangle. In the next video, we'll be completing the normal and tangent, so we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until we meet again.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.